Welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we're doing our Halloween video, and the cat loves to be in the videos. We're gonna let him in because he's hungry. So how do you do a safe Halloween in COVID? First of all, you want to have a drone. He's always looking out. My new hobby. What's not to like in there, my friends? And we have this little sign here that says, trick or treaters, wait here. That way, if I'm not on the porch, my drone is going to show me that somebody's here. And we can then come out and I've got my gloves on and pick out the candy and give the candy to the kids. So that's how we're doing it. Real short video, SC Custom Designs. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and happy Halloween.